A protest on the Las Vegas Strip last night called for an end to police brutality, but things escalated very quickly. 8 News Now reporter Orko Manna explains how legal observers were impacted by Metro's response.
Legal observers are volunteers who are usually local attorneys and law students. Their role during a protest is to take notes on what happens and get information of those being detained by police. We saw plenty of them here on the Las Vegas Strip last night, and they were clearly identified by red shirts that they were wearing. We captured this video of a legal observer who was detained by Metro Police during last night's protest. You can see them in their red shirt. The Las Vegas chapter of the National Lawyers Guild says 6 legal observers were detained. One of them is public defender Christopher Peterson, who we spoke with this afternoon. Peterson says legal observers are completely separate from the protests. They are only there to document what happens. The protest last night got heated when Metro Police blocked Las Vegas Boulevard at Russell Road, so demonstrators had to make their way west. Peterson tells me he asked police if he could pass them, and they said yes. But he says as he was getting information from a detained protester, Metro officers then detained him, much to his surprise.
You are always prepared for whatever is supposed to be happening. We actually go through a certified training with the National Lawyers Guild. And part of that training is being prepared for a range of police conduct, directed towards protesters, but also directed towards us. So as far as was I surprised generally that I might be detained if I go to a protest? No. But was I surprised at the time that it happened? Yes.
Peterson tells me the local chapter of the National Lawyers Guild was created just a couple weeks ago in response to the tense protests here in Las Vegas. The ACLU of Nevada released a statement regarding Metro, saying in part, quote, "They give arbitrary and random orders to disperse, allowing crowds only minutes to comply before police start to detain demonstrators." I spoke to a local attorney who is representing the legal observers who were detained last night. She tells me Metro acted too aggressively. We reached out to Metro for a statement, but we haven't heard back from them yet. Reporting on the Las Vegas Strip, Orko Manna, 8 News Now.
Orko, we did receive a response from Governor Sisolak about the incident. He said, quote, "Legal observers provide a valuable service as part of our system of justice. They inform protesters about how to lawfully express their rights and answer questions about what conduct is lawful. Any reports of police action against legal observers should be fully investigated and reviewed so a full understanding of what happened can be determined."